Similar to radio buttons, a drop-down list box also allows you to select a single option from the provided list. Usage depends on the scenario. For example, if the list has few options, use the radio buttons, and if the list is long, choose a drop-down list box. In HTML, a drop-down list box is defined with the select tag in conjunction with two or more option elements. The option tags inside the select element define the available options in the list. An attribute called selected can be added to an option to mark it as the default selected option when the page loads. Reading the value of a selected item is a two-step process. You first use selected index property, and then use the value property to find the value of the selected choice. This uses the NIDX variable to store the selected index, and then assigns the value of the selected choice to the scat variable.